How to set up eBay managed payments in 2026. It's like very easy. All you need to do is get into your eBay, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what you're going to do is tap on my eBay icon that you'll be able to see right here. Then from here, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down. You'll be able to see payments under your account section, right? Simply tap on payments. Here you can see the option of manage your payments. So all you need to do is tap on that one. Then you can go along with the process of how you'll be able to add in your personal identification documents and matching registration address details, and then you can input your Australian bank account like BSP account number and bank name. Then from there you can choose your preferred fund distribution frequency. For example, you can add in daily as fund clear or weekly. Then all you need to do is tap on save changes to allow eBay to directly manage your customer payments and seller payouts securely. So yeah, that is all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that is it for the video.